On your mandate we shall stand, Bola. On your mandate we shall stand, Bola. On your mandate, Bola. On your mandate we shall stand.
I want everybody here who are coming in from Lagos and who has been here in advance. So excuse me from protocol. Too many of you are extremely dear and important to us. To go name by name is superfluous. I will just say, dear committed party members, may God bless you. I apologize for keeping you waiting, but it's still your matter that was keeping me waiting. When problems fall over one another, you've got to sort it out one by one. That is what we have been doing since morning. It is because of your importance, because of who you are, and the fact that they said to be here since 12. Otherwise, I was running to the airport to escape. Adam said, no. You don't go escape. If it is 2 minutes, you have to address these people. They have been there. I thank all of you. I thank you. But there is not something that we have to address. Unity. Let me first of all commend the victim 14 of our people that they refused to swear this morning and they didn't allow to see it. God will always stand by you all. I stand before you, committed to your cause. We will not let you down. To you, the great people of Edo, take your state back. Whatever it will take, let us first of all forge unity. Let us pave the way where they say there is no way. Find the road where they say there is no road. Let us join your hand to rescue Edo State from these termite cockroaches and we must rescue Oyo State. Are you ready? I am ready. I'm ready. You have to take lantern if there's no kerosene and go from one house to the other. Don't get angry. Anger does not solve problems. Disappointment is an energizer for me. When you disappoint me, I work harder. You betray me, I don't get angry, I ignore you. Why? Because you are not my God. You are not my creator. And God has taught me, even if you are sad, I will share in your sorrow. If you are happy, I will rejoice with you. If you are poor, I will share my little with you. We are here tonight. I just want to beg you, start to hold word by word meetings. You have to join hands and believe in one another. You see them, G5, this, that, they don't know the road. They are just kata people. They say a custom officer, former, how did you make money? He said he was doing car business along with custom. Not knowing he doesn't understand the civil service rule, that the only thing a civil servant can do is agriculture. He doesn't know how to lie again. Except falsify lies upon lies. How can that man hold a very serious job for Nigeria? Like you've heard from Adam, Oshibaba, when they were sabotaging aluminium smelter in Port Abasi, I was negotiating free trade zone. When, before they send night company is already ready to work. Today, their president then abandoned him in Singapore because he wanted me to sign rubbish contract. And I say, I am a city boy. I left him there. I came home. Today, that is the deepest sea port in West Africa, Nigeria, and Lekki. If you are a free trade zone where you can fabricate items, where you can develop services that will build things for you. I know Nigerians, you are sensible, and I know people are extremely smart. You can do the job. Count on me. At the federal level, I'll be your listening president. Vote for me. You're voting for yourself. Vote for me. And you say prosperity is here. When you put that ballot paper in the box, say this ballot paper is to create job. We will create job for you. You are not lazy. And they said they want to come back. 16 years in power. Energy supply was erratic. They said the Arabian had brought electricity to Nigeria. They say I must surrender it to national grid. I said a lie. They punish me, I don't care. But I didn't give them. The first thing I didn't answer. Up till now, they cannot produce 46 megawatts. Abba. And they want to come back. They want to rule again. They take in a crayfish. They don't know that we are human beings, we are sensible. Only 8 years. We put railway lines there. Only 8 years. Lekki Free Trade Zone is working within the period. Refinery is working. And we will be producing for you. Employment will be there. If you take a red line across to your water, you know how to travel to Lagos to your goods. I don't see a nation with this number of vehicles who are able to produce brake pads, ordinary brake pads, not to talk of muffler, exhaust pipe. Let's go! And these people, they say they won't come back. They can abuse Buhari from morning till night in order here. Abuse continue, but the railway line is there. Port is there. Second Niger Bridge is there. Ibadan Expressway is there. Other ports will come alive and connect Ondo and Edo and make it a market of prosperity and joy. And make it the abuse. So they lie, they say na currency. Who gave us the central bank government? No be inheritance. We inherited them. Here, I assure you, transatlantic gas, Nigeria will make money. I can't remember me. They say you have the largest deposit of gas. You go drink and make you no work. You will get exploration, development of gas from West Africa to Europe. When we compete with Russia, we will make money for Nigeria. Don't worry. Long-term money for long-term projects. They say borrow is no good. The money you don't get. You don't turn it to carrots. No. We say we are putting one of the smartest assets of Nigeria, human asset. His name is Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He will on his ground. Folks, don't listen to them. Don't worry about gas that day. It go easy, gradually. But that is why we say your voting area must be close to your house. You don't need keke napep to get your polling area. Go and vote first. You wake up first. Go and vote APC. Say, God, it's my turn to be lucky. It's my turn to be happy. It's my turn for you to answer my prayer. I take this ballot paper Make us do sacrifice to God Almighty for APC. Put your paper there. I'm standing before you, promising that I will create jobs for you in Nigeria. I know the road. I know how to think. Follow me. I show you the way. May God bless you.